Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have Pizza Sloppy Joes. First, we're going to have to make the pizza sauce. So what we start off with is a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, followed by a tablespoon of olive oil, and 3 cloves of garlic that are minced up, just a pinch of sugar to take care of the tinniness, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. About a teaspoon of Italian seasonings, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you want the sauce a little spicy, add a bit more red pepper flakes. Then just grab a whisk and whisk it up. And that's it. All right, let's move on. Okay, and in a cast iron pan that I will eventually replace because I realize this pan is too big, you want to add 1 onion that has been diced. And you want to add this to a little bit of olive oil. So yeah, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion that's been diced, saute this up nice. Okay, and then you want to add 1 green pepper that has been diced. And a couple cloves of garlic that's been minced up. And then you want to have, I don't know, about a 1/4 pound of pepperoni that I kind of sliced up. I think that's what I came out to. I didn't really measure anything. So about a 1/4 pound of pepperoni that... Go to the deli and get their pepperoni, so you'll want about a 1/4 pound of it. And then, all right, give these things a couple of minutes to get all nice and melded together. And after a couple of minutes, you see kind of the onions getting to be translucent. Time to add a pound of burger. And then basically you just want to cook the burger. And once it's cooked, basically drain it and then return all this stuff to the pan. All right, I'll see you after the burger's done. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, everything is cooked and drained. And then I covered it in some mozzarella cheese. And as you can see there, pepperoni. And then you're going to want to give this a couple of minutes so the pepperoni can, or the cheese can melt. And then you want to take this off of the burner and then just leave it on the counter and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Okay, now it's time to cook up the ciabatta, or toast up the ciabatta. Basically, all I did here was slice the ciabatta in half and buttered the side that's on the griddle. And that's really it. Just want to go till you get a nice good toast. And as you can see here, our Pizza Sloppy Joe is resting nicely. Honestly, if I'd have switched this out with, if I'd have switched the burger out with sausage and added some black olives, I would have had a crustless supreme pizza. Maybe I'll do that in the future. All right, let's move on to, I believe, assembly. Okay, as you can see, I didn't even get a chance to film the ending. Man, look at that cheese pull. Isn't that nice? So basically, you want to scoop up some of this here Pizza Sloppy Joe mix. And that's actually pretty much it. So that's a Pizza Sloppy Joe. Done.